So you're thinking about moving to Houston Heights area. In this video, we're gonna show you specifically some new construction homes so you can get an idea of what kind of fits within your budget, which aesthetic you like, and stay tuned to the very end because we'll actually walk inside one of them. Let's get after it right now. So if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living life in Houston, Texas, the good and the bad, the pros and the cons, the yin and the yang, then tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about what's going on in the current market in Houston, Texas. My name is Joseph Diasana and welcome to our channel. My partner Carrie Josephson and our team of realtors get calls and messages every day from people just like you and you and you and you looking for help on living life in Houston, Texas, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're going to be here for 10 days or 100 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, and we'll be glad to help you make your move smooth to Houston, Texas. One of my favorite things in the Heights is the Esplanade, which is right here on Heights Boulevard. And it's really kind of cool because they put art stuff like that in the background, if you can check that out. It's a art installation of a plane, old-timey plane, and they do a lot of this kind of stuff all up and down this Esplanade. People will be walking their dogs, taking a stroll, running, working out, or just enjoying the outdoors. And it's just a really, really nice, homey feel, and we're only 4 miles from downtown. This particular part of the Heights is very grand. A lot of the homes here are Victorian. They have wraparound porches, large lots. They're just made to feel like you're a small village inside a big city, which the Heights is. And it's a very popular part of Houston. For our next stop, we're gonna go and check out one of those new construction homes. So we are now in a new construction zone of the Heights. So one of the big things about real estate is high density. You want to pack in a lot in a little space. And so these properties are going to be 2,000 square feet, 3 bedroom, 3.5 bath. They're cute. I like them. If you can tell behind me, there's construction going on. And then over here, let's see, turn around this way. You can see some of the other homes that are kind of a smaller 2-story, but maybe not as big. Here, let me show you. I think these are cool, but so here are the properties that I was talking about. This is the Oaks of Shady Acres, and what's kind of cool about these is they're including a battery or a charger for your electric vehicle in these particular properties back here. So really nice, more of a modern aesthetic, 3-story, as opposed to more of a quaint view, which is kind of this 2 stories over here. These were built in 2012. These are new construction with the walk-ups. More of a modern design. There are a set of 8, 2 on the street and then 2 in the back and the rear. Yeah, pack them in here. So anyways, it is super hot out here, and we'll be on to the next. So we are headed down 10th and a half street. There are half streets here in the Heights area, sometimes full numbered and then half streets. And you can see from behind me that it's kind of more of a narrow street, but it's wooded, lots of tree lined streets. What I like about this is that it's a kind of a mix, kind of your quaint area, but also modernization. So they'll do sidewalks and stuff like that, and they'll cover the ditches. I call them ditches or canals or whatever, which is here on the side. And of course, here we are. Let me turn around. This is 3 bedroom, 3.5 bath, about 2,400 square feet, and it is going for $934,000. Kind of gorgeous, with a rooftop deck, and it appears to be just facing west, so it's not a full rooftop, but it's good enough to suntan and enjoy up there. So the lot size is 2,139 square feet. We're really close by to Yale Street, which is where the every month there's a Houston Heights Farmers Market and Fair. It's just a really good time to kind of take a relaxing weekend, enjoy what the Heights has to offer. We're about 9 blocks from 19th Street and 20th Street, where there's a lot of shops, local vendors, great restaurants, and there's a new one called the Blue Tuba, which is European and Texan mixed together. They call it Eurotex. So hopefully we'll get a chance to show you that later on. All right, super excited to show you this next house. As promised, we are gonna go actually tour it. And behind me is 23rd Street. I'm heading toward Yale. Yale goes runs north-south. Is one of the main streets here in the Heights. And what's super exciting is you're walking to 19th and 20th Street, which has restaurants and shopping. You can tell from the background, you can see that more mature trees. So we've got properties that have been built in the 1920s, mixed in with remodeled, mixed in with new construction. And so those are the older homes. And then these are the newer homes that are made to look classic. We're actually going to see this house, the one on the left. It's a 3-story, beautiful home. Let's go check it out. Most homes that are 3-story have 0 lot line or small lot line. This one actually has a backyard. And very smart, since there's not a lot of sunlight here, they did some hardscaping, but you can see the backyard in the back. We'll turn lights as we go. So super elegant doors. This is 12-foot ceilings. Very nice. Very good use of space, and selections are on point. It's gorgeous. You can also see from here, there's a wine bar, sort of a buffet with a pantry. This is probably one of the, here's a pantry, then this must be a half bath. Nope, storage. So this is the half bath, here we go. One of 2 half baths with 4 bathrooms in total. Immense kitchen islands with a waterfall edge. And look how many knobs are on that grill. Incredible, with a pot filler, and then almost to the ceiling cabinetry. So tons of storage. What I like about this is in the Heights you have alley access, and sometimes you can drive down the alley or not. And you can see there's a door there, and we've got a covered patio. And this covered patio is oversized. Let's go in the backyard. Kind of take a look from the back edge here. You can see it is super tall. You can definitely have a grill out here. You have all the utilities stubbed out, and it's pavered so that you can actually put some outdoor furniture and make it an indoor-outdoor space. And let's go upstairs. So this is an elevator sized closet, elevator ready. This looks like this is the primary with a coffee bar, and you have a balcony. And I like this. Wow, incredible. Closed-in shower tub. Excellent fixtures. It's gorgeous. And then you have a pass-through to your closet. And then here's the utility room. It's really nice. Secondary bedroom. And another bedroom. This is quite large. Maybe you can have multi-generational. Another family member here. And then let's go upstairs. So we have half bath here. So that's the second half bath. It's a closed-in space. You have a rooftop deck. Probably can do your hot yoga out here. Nice. Study. Library. And secondary bedrooms. So this is the last of the 4 bedrooms. All right, so that concludes our tour for today. If you're interested in any of these in the Heights, new construction is a great opportunity, and we'll definitely be there to help you guys. Until next time, have a good day, sunshine, and we'll see you around the Bayou City. Ciao.